School Vocabulary, Starting School. Find links to worksheets and related resources for this vocabulary list in the description below.
Let's learn some school vocabulary words. Listen for the word, meaning, and an example sentence. Ready? Listen and repeat after me. School. School. School is a place where students go to learn. The children walk to school. Teacher. Teacher. A teacher is a person who helps students learn. The teacher is speaking to her class. Student. Student. A student is a person who goes to school to learn. The students are listening to the teacher. Classroom. Classroom. A classroom is a room in a school where students learn. There are books, desks, and a teacher in the classroom. Help. Help. Help is when someone assists or supports you. She helps the boy with his homework. Bathroom. Bathroom. A bathroom is a place where we go to use the toilet or wash our hands. Another word for bathroom is restroom. If you are at school and need to use the bathroom, you can raise your hand and ask, "Can I use the bathroom?"
Can I use the bathroom?
Water. Water. Water is a clear drink we need to stay healthy. If you are at school and need to drink some water, you can raise your hand and ask, "Can I get some water?"
Can I get some water?
Pencil. Pencil. A pencil is a tool we use to write or draw. The girl is sharpening her pencil. Book. Book. A book is something we read with pages and words. The children read a book together. Lunch. Lunch. Lunch is a meal we eat in the middle of the day. The kids are eating pizza for lunch. Recess. Recess. Recess is a break time at school to play and rest. The kids jump rope at recess. Congratulations! That's the end of today's school vocabulary list. Keep practicing and we'll see you in the next lesson. Happy learning!